Right, we've got a really superb low mileage C63 here to show you. V8 twin turbo, obsidian black. It's recently had £1,000 worth of ceramic coating and it is a fabulous car. It's a premium pack with a lot of nice specification, panoramic sunroof, tilt and slide. It's got heads-up display, night pack, so all the black pack you might say. I'm going to carefully walk you around. It's got the two-tone leather in this one. It really is a super car, this. As I say, 360 cameras and sensors front and rear. Paintwork is lovely. Wheels are all lovely. Forged alloys. Privacy glass. I'll go carefully down the side for you. Mileage of 25,000. I'll show you each wheel as going round. It's recently had a set of tyres. They are Michelin's. Just look how nice that looks. We've got 2 keys, clear HPI report, all its books, full Mecedes service history as there, last done 27th of the 10th 21. Due a service very shortly. We're going to do that before it leaves us. Other front wheel, windscreen all good, no stone chips. Dash cam there fitted as well. Let's go down this side really carefully again for you to show you no dings, chips or scratches. Obviously at this age you could have had a stone chip here or there, but you can see how nice this is. Rear wheel, and I say the tyres are fairly recent. So if you're watching this on YouTube, pop onto our website justnicecars.co.uk and you can read the full specification on the advert of this one, see all the photos. It's really nice. Burmester sound system, electric seats with memory, heated 3-position, powerful mirrors. It's got that blue interior light on at the moment. Now this interior, the two-tone, black and white. Just like new in there. No wear on the bolster. Heads-up display. Fitted over carpet mats. There's all your buttons there, 360 cameras. Stand back and give you a side view. It's got the sports switchable exhaust as well. Sounds absolutely amazing, as these AMG V8s do. There's nothing quite like the sound of one of these with that loud button pressed. So if you're looking for a really nice one with low mileage in this condition with the two-tone interior, here we go. Any questions you have, if you'd like to give us a call to show them, I'll answer any questions for you. Thank you very much for watching.